I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over. You keep missing the fights, even though they're so over. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time.
It's a completely miserable day. Oh, we're getting a bit of rain in here, as I'm sure you can hear. Also, if you follow along on Instagram or on my last video, you'll know that Freddie had his little surgery. He had it on Tuesday and now it's Friday. So he's just in a 10-day recovery period. Do you want to come out for a little minute, Freddie Bear?
But I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire that we watched it burn out.
Yeah.
Isn't it time?
Let's have a little cuddle and I'll put you on the mat for a little pee-pee break. See if you'll do a pee-pee and then you can go back into your little cage, okay? Hey everyone, so I thought I'd just pop on and do a quick voiceover to explain today's video, as the audio from my previously filmed footage, it was just too washed out with the rain. So if you followed along with my June 21-day cleaning challenge, you'll know on the last day of that challenge, I mentioned that in July, I was going to be doing the Secret Slobs 21-day challenge. So I've started that now because it's July, but I have tweaked her 21-day challenge slightly just to fit my routine and my existing cleaning schedule. So I'm going to leave a link to her 21-day cleaning challenge along with her printables. But as I mentioned, I tweaked them slightly because I've already got existing cleaning routines. So I wanted them to line up with what I was already doing, but then to also add in towards the end of the month some specific cleaning tasks that I'm going to be taking from hers. So both of our 21-day cleaning challenges were based on the Fly Lady cleaning system. But then from what I can gather from her channel, it didn't 100% work for her either, so she's kind of tweaked it. So I think that is something that I think is really important when you are, looking for your own cleaning and organizing system, to take what works from wherever you can get inspiration and motivation, and then just tweak it and make it fit and suit your lifestyle, your home, your requirements, your availability. So for example, Friday is my typical life admin day. So that's the day that I do all of my meal prep, all my planning, get all the bills paid, just do a general check-in on the house admin side of things. So I wanted to make that line up with the day that she suggested to have her weekly planning day.
Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.
Now that I've done the meal plan, I'm going to go ahead and place my online click and collect order for Monday morning first thing. And that's it for the meal prep and planning for this week. So just having a bit of a quick closer look at the Secret Slobs cleaning checklist for the 21-day challenge. And like I said, I'll leave a link to it. Now, something like this is absolutely perfect if you are entry-level beginner looking to start a cleaning routine, or really looking to start getting motivated, or you really need someone else to give you that motivating push to tell you what to do each day to clean. Now, as I mentioned, because I'm not starting out with my cleaning routines, I already do a number of these things on a daily basis anyway, so I didn't want to undo what I already do to start from scratch. So I've just included the things that I would do as a daily routine, and I'm going to do each of those things every day, as well as from probably the end of week 1, add in some specific tasks that I really want to get done around the house, as well as incorporating some of her suggestions. If you need extra motivation on a daily basis to get your tasks done for the 21-day challenge, I'll leave a link to the playlist where she has uploaded a short video each day explaining what she does and giving you motivation to do it. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a really quick explainer video. I've got to go back to taking care of my little pup Freddie, but I will see you Sunday for a regular video. Bye everyone.